In this video, I'm going to show you how you could fix the error message that this experience is not accessible because it is unrated here in Roblox. Before we do dive in this video, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help with the channel. It lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. But fixing this error is actually extremely easy, so let's get right into it. First things first, in this left-hand side of your screen, if you are on mobile, select More, but if you're on PC, go up to these little settings here and select Settings. From here, what you're going to want to go ahead and do is find your account info tab up at the very top and select it. And you're going to see all your profile details, including like your username, your display name, and most importantly, your birthday. The reason that you're actually seeing this error is because your account is set to under 13. And to fix it, just simply change your birthday so that your age is older than 13. So as you can see, my birthday is right here. This is 18 plus. But to access most experiences, you just need to at least be over the age of 13 here on Roblox. Now, Roblox does require this so that you can access certain features and experiences that aren't rated for younger players. So once you update it, make sure to hit save and you'll be able to hop on to pretty much any game. But yeah, that's going to remove that error for you completely. And now you'll actually be able to play that experience. If this guide did help you out, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help with the channel. It lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.